I would just got to use some cool stuff. It was really cool. I got to use a lot of cool features, and it was very easy to create. And it was very easy to finish. And the whole process itself, which would normally take, weeks to do and, send a project timeline, was down to nothing. It was because all those tools were so easy to use. I am Patrick Snook. I am the product manager for the Laserfiche Business Transformation Office.
My name is Silvia. I'm the People Operations Generalist here at Laserfiche. In the HR field, we wear many hats. There's a good amount of our day sometimes that is just caught up in this administrative task our employees don't see on an everyday basis. But there's a lot of things that happen behind the scenes. There's a lot of compliance that we have to make sure that we're staying up to date. So essentially, you have to pull out the documents from a new hire, meaning their resume, job application, their offer letter, job description, all of that gets pulled into a specific intake folder, label them, and then manually start creating the personnel files.
One of the biggest problems we have is with data entry, period. If you have to type it, it just opens up a lot of human error. So there's a lot of ways that things could be inputted incorrectly.
There was a lot of back and forth with different managers, IT, new hires, and all of that.
We knew we needed to simplify our HR onboarding process, so we decided to overhaul it and use Smart Fields. Re-engineering this process with Smart Fields was not a difficult task whatsoever, and we just wanted to put it all into one cohesive process that would do start to finish and not have to do all these manual steps. We spent around 15 minutes, half hour, looking at the different documents and creating fields that we would want with the natural language and testing it out to make sure it pulled the right data on sample documents. So what would have taken hours to type out, we did in a half hour one time, and now it can be used throughout the entire process. The fields that go onto a template using Smart Fields, you just need natural language prompts. So I always envision the document as a living person. If you can ask the question, it should be able to find it. When is this new hire supposed to be starting? Should pull the starting date if it's on there. Those are the natural language prompts you use. So you're talking to that document, and it should be able to find all the information you want. All that data is then used for everything else after. Welcome emails to start up new hire checklist processes. All that data is right there at your fingertips based off of a single template, or you can do multiple templates on multiple documents and combine all that data into one big area of use of data that comes out.
It really just helps us stay organized and making sure that we're in compliance with any new regulations. So with the new UI feature, it kind of does that automatically for us instead of us having to manually do it.
One thing I like to do as a business process developer is always think 3 steps ahead of what I need. So it's not boxing myself in, so we can always evolve these processes. We had smart templates come out. So smart templates, we just needed to update the template itself with a description and let it auto extract. So again, natural language, create what is this document, what should be in this document, so it could automatically apply that template. It's just extracting data. You don't have to recreate data. It's there. Pull it, use it later. Don't have to retype it.
That even though yes, I'm capable of doing it, it's just allowing me to just work more efficiently and more smarter in a sense, as overall just creating a better employee experience for everyone.
When you have more time to do other things in your job, that makes me feel good because that's what I do. I make you work smarter, not harder. And seeing Silvia every morning with this big smile on her face, I ran it again, I used it again, made me feel really good.
So Smart Fields made data capture 90% more efficient in our onboarding process. I'm excited to see what else is going to evolve as new features get rolled out.